Hello students, in this part we will study about the animal kingdom phylum Echinodermata. 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 This is made up of two words, echinos and derma. Echino means spiny and derma means skin. So these animals have the spiny skins. This is made up of two words, echinos. Echino means spiny and derma means skin. Therefore, so these animals have spiny skin. Clear? There are 7,000 species of echinos या Echinodermata present. Mostly they are found at the bottom of the sea, so they are also known as sea dwellers. Mostly they are found at the bottom of the sea, so they are called sea dwellers. Now the features on which the Echinodermata are categorized into different categories. First one is habitat. They are aquatic and marine water. Aquatic और aquatic कहाँ पे? Marine water में present है. Germ cell. Triploblastic. You already know that what is triploblastic. It means the germ cell is covered with three layers: ecto, endo, mesoderm. Coelom. They have true body cavity, so coelomate. These are coelomates. Next, body level. Level of organization है body level. Those are present on organ system. Organ system. Body symmetry. Body symmetry. They have unique body features on the basis of symmetrical. The larvae stage of the Echinodermata are bilateral symmetry that show the advanced feature, but adult features they change into radial symmetry, that is primitive feature. At the larvae stage, they show bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, but this is the advanced feature. But in adult phase, they show a radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. Therefore, the Echinodermata has unique features. Means largest is bilateral symmetry that show the advanced feature, whereas when they change into adult phase, they change into radial symmetry that shows the primitive phase. Body forms, a special body feature. special body features. First one, echinodermatas have pentamerous body structure, means they have 5 axes to their body. Echinodermatas have pentamerous body structure. Their body show the 5 axis structure. एक्सेल स्ट्रक्चर भी कह सकते हैं. 5 एक्सेल स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स 5 पेंटामियर्स, 5 इनकी एक्सेल स्ट्रक्चर होती हैं जैसे कि स्टारफिश के अंदर. फर्स्ट वन, द बॉडी इज डिपेंडेंट एंडोस्केलेटन, और वो भी किसकी, कैलकेरस लेयर की बनी होती है. कैलकेरस की बनी होती है. कैलकेरस में कौन सी, ऑसिकल्स. ऑसिकल्स क्या होती है, स्मॉल बोन्स की बनी होती है. उसके साथ साथ और क्या है, वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम. वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम. ड्यू टू वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम दे लोकोमोट, respire and capturing of food. First one, what is the role of water vascular system in the echinodermatas? With the help of water vascular system, echinodermatas capture the food, respiration and the movement या locomotion can take place. Water vascular system, the body of these animals have canal system in which water transport. These canals are stone canals. इन कैनल्स में टाइप कई प्रकार के हैं. स्टोन कैनल्स, रेडियल कैनल्स, लेटरल कैनल्स, एंड ए मैड्रेपोराइट which act as सीव ट्यूब्स, जो सीव ट्यूब का काम करता है, जिसमें से वाटर फिल्टर होके जाता है. इनके अंदर स्पेशल बॉडी फीचर्स होते हैं. 5 एक्सिस हैं. कुछ इस वे से इसमें वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम होता है, कुछ इस प्रकार से. पूरे पार्ट्स के अंदर वाटर कैनल सिस्टम कंसिस्ट होता है. इस वे से इसके साथ साथ यहां से भी ट्यूबराइजेज होती है इसकी, जिनमें इस वे का स्ट्रक्चर कंटेंट होता है. इसमें वाटर फिल्टअप रहता है. पूरी ट्यूब के अंदर इसी वे से फीचर रहेगा। सभी पार्ट्स के अंदर you can draw the diagram of this type. All parts you can draw the structure, and one is madreporite, that stand to madreporite is the sieve tube like structure. This is the madreporite. Through the water is filtered. This canal is known as stone cell, a stone canal. जो रेडियल से अटैच्ड है, रेडियल से अटैच, इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? रेडियल कैनल, रेडियल कैनल। एंड दिस वन इज द, जो रेडियल कैनल से राइज हुई है इनको क्या बोलेंगे हम? लेटरल कैनल। और ये जो सिस्टम यहां से लेकर के इसका ये जो पोर्शन है, इस पोर्शन को बोलते हैं फुट। This type of water canal system included all of the body. This water vascular system helps in Echinodermata respiration, capturing of food as well as in locomotion. Then next is digestion. Complete digestion can take place because there are two openings. Digestion, yeah, digestive system. Complete digestive system can take place. You know that what is complete? There are two openings. One act as mouth and another for anus. Mouth present lower side, जिसको वेंट्रल पार्ट में कह सकते हैं। एनस प्रेजेंट अपर साइड, और अपर साइड कौन सा होगा इसका? डोर्सल। सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ओपन, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ओपन। उसके बाद इसमें रिप्रोडक्टिव, sexual reproduction can take place. All the Echinodermatas are dioecious, means unisexual. Unisexual organism है, male produce sperm and female ova, and sexual reproduction can take place. Fertilization, external fertilization can take place. Means ova, the female release ova into the water as well as male in sperm. So fusion of male and male sperm with the female ovum inside the water. So external fertilization can take place. Means the fertilization can take place outside the body. Development, indirect development, because the offspring doesn't resemble to their parents. They change it to larva to adult pupa and larva pupa adult. So they are different structures. So indirect development can take place. उसके साथ साथ इनकी बॉडी फीचर्स में आप ये भी डाल सकते हैं कि इनकी बॉडी जो होती है ग्लोबुलर भी होती है. दे हैव ग्लोबुलर बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर. सी अर्चिन सिलेंड्रिकल. सी कुकुम्बर. And star-like starfish. These are the example, as well as you can put in this type of features into the special body feature. These are the feature of echinodermatas. Next, second, all the features of border vascular system, you can draw the diagram with all types of this canal system in this part also. Clear?